The carburation. Carburation is the mixture of air and fuel, and the process is called carburation. There are 6 component parts. Number 1, flow system. Number 2, idle system. Number 3, main metering system. Number 4, power system. Number 5, accelerating pump system. Number 6, choke system. Number 1, flow system. This is the consist of flow chamber, float and needle supply valve. The system maintains a constant petrol level to high. Fuel will continue to flow from the charge jet to the main nozzle. Number 2, the idle system. Idle system is an opening in the side of the carburetor below the throttle valve. This hole is called the idle part. When the throttle valve is closed or slightly open, only small amount of air can be through the hole with the low speed and the little vacuum in the vent air. Number 3, main metering system. It is so-called high-speed system. If the throttle valve is open, fuel rather more air and fuel through. This means that there will be the less vacuum in the intake manifold as the result of the idle part and slow speed parts to stop the discharge fuel. Power system. Number 4. When a drive what to call power to the acceleration pedal push the power, this case a throttle valve is open widely rather than the system of carburetor. It is come to the action to additional fuel. Number 5. Acceleration pump system. This system is the another operation that needs to reach mixture. This condition occurs when the carburetor pedal is pushed down southerly to the cross to the speed gate power need to the engine has to be supplied rich mixture immediately. It is the operator of pedal discharge process. Number 6, choke system. When the coal engine is being cranked for the starting, external fuel must be delivered to the engine. The choke valve does this job when the choke valve is turned to close the position. Very little air and fuel mixture pass through air hole in the main vacuum, which ends the main nozzle to discharge. Choke valve is the attached with the external part of the carburetor is helped to open and close wisely. This is the system of carburetor.